Hello, welcome to Coach Michael 101, where we listen to music, check out movies, other miscellaneous mayhem, and hopefully we have some fun along the way. If you like what you see today, hit the like button. Definitely leave a comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss a single video. Also, if you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could watch the video all the way to the end. It really helps the channel grow. Today we're going to check out a heavy metal 1980s classic. All right, this is Quiet Riot. Come on, feel the noise. It was a song they didn't particularly like. They did it in one take and didn't want to do any changes because they did not like the song. Um, but it has a distinction of being that kind of first 80s style heavy metal song and video. Before that, you had Led Zeppelin. You had kind of that Deep Purple, Black Sabbath heavy metal. This was the first one with the kind of the teased hair, the spandex. Um, Not quite the makeup yet, so we're not into the Poison, Motley Crue look yet with the glam, but that first 80s feeling heavy metal song. Quiet Riot, come on, feel the noise, let it roll. I had that stereo.
Come on, feel the noise. Girls, rock your voice. We'll get wild, wild, wild. Wild, wild, wild. So you think I got an evil mind? I tell you, honey. I don't know.
I had that Walkman.
I don't know why. So you think my singing's on and time? It makes me money. I don't know why. I don't know why anymore. So come on, feel the noise. Girls, rock your voice. We'll get wild, wild, wild. Wild, wild, wild. Come on, feel the noise. Girls, rock your voice. We'll get wild, wild, wild. So you
So this song is my high school years, every single football game. Every single football game, you could count on this song blaring over the loudspeakers.
So you say I got a funny face, I got no worries, and I don't know why. I don't know why. All I gotta say is some disgrace. I'm in no hurry,
I had that dresser too.
and I don't know why. I don't know why anymore. No, no, no. Come on, feel the noise. Girls, rock your voice.
Yeah,
Get wild, wild, wild. Wild, wild, wild. Come on, feel the noise.
that's hair right there.
Girls, rock your voice. We'll get wild, wild, wild. Come on.
So that was probably the first epic guitar solo in 80s heavy metal history right there.
Well, you think we ever wasted time?
Love
You
it.
should know better. I don't know why. I don't know why. So you say I got a dirty mind. I'm a mean go-getter. I don't know
popular. That mask. Nice, nice. Of course, that mask, well before Silence of the Lambs. That was the real mask right there. Quiet Riot, Come On, Feel the Noise. Again, a song recorded in one take because they thought the song was dumb. They just didn't want to do it. And became probably their biggest hit and the first real statement of heavy metal in the 1980s. But great song, great video, great feel, great vibe. Uh, Quiet Riot, Come On, Feel the Noise. If you like what you heard today, hit the like button. Please leave a comment down below. Subscribe. Turn on those post notifications so you don't miss a single video. This is Coach Michael 101, where we listen to music, check out movies, other miscellaneous mayhem, and hopefully we have some fun along the way. See you next video.